Host is standing in a gym looking excited. Hey guys, are you ready to take control of your fitness journey? Do you feel lost at the gym or unsure where to begin? Today I'm going to share 10 secrets to kickstart your fitness journey today. These tips will help you stay motivated and see real results. Let's dive in. Powers, main content. Secret number 1, set clear goals. The first secret is to set clear and achievable goals. What do you want to accomplish? Lose weight, build muscle, or maybe just feel healthier? Write down your goals and keep them somewhere you can see every day. Remember, goals should be specific, measurable, and realistic. Secret number 2, find your why. Why do you want to get fit? Is it to feel more confident? To improve your health? Knowing your why helps you stay motivated, especially on tough days. Write down your reasons and refer back to them when you hit a slump. Secret number 3, start small. You don't have to spend hours at the gym from day one. Start with small, manageable steps. Maybe begin with a 20-minute walk or a simple at-home workout. The key is consistency, not intensity. Secret number 4, create a routine. Consistency is crucial in any fitness journey. Try scheduling your workouts just like regular appointments. Pick a time that works best for you and stick to it. Mornings, evenings, or even during lunch breaks, find what fits your life the best. Secret number 5, mix it up. Doing the same workout every day can get boring fast. Mix up your workouts to keep things fun and exciting. Try yoga, strength training, running, or even dancing. This also helps to work different muscle groups and avoid plateaus. Secret number 6, focus on nutrition. Exercise is important, but what you eat matters just as much. Aim for a balanced diet with whole foods, proteins, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated and don't forget to treat yourself occasionally. Secret number 7, get proper sleep. Your body needs time to recover. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. This helps your muscles recover and reduces the risk of injury. Poor sleep can also affect your motivation and energy levels. Secret number 8, track your progress. Keep track of your workouts and diet. Use a journal or an app to note down your exercises, meals, and progress. Tracking helps you see how far you've come and keeps you motivated. Secret number 9, find a workout buddy. Having a friend to work out with can make all the difference. You can motivate each other, stay accountable, and make workouts more fun. Can't find a buddy? Join a fitness class or community. Secret number 10, celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you've reached your ultimate goal to celebrate. Celebrate your small achievements along the way. Ran for 5 more minutes, celebrate. Lifted a heavier weight, celebrate. These small victories keep you motivated and proud of your progress. Parte outro. And there you have it, 10 secrets to kickstart your fitness journey today. Which secret are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, your fitness journey is just one step away. See you next time, waves and smiles. Outro music fades in.